Hello everyone, this is Amit Chaudhary from E1 Solutions. I'm working as a senior support consultant. I'm going to show you like if you are getting the error for the Smart Connect when inputting the extended data, and especially when you are upgrading from the Smart Connect 18 to 21, and error says you like the procedure or the function taExtender Windows add update has too many arguments specified for the each document, and that is because of like the Smart Connect 21 is expecting like the column 16 to 30, which is required for the Smart Connect 21 to synchronize properly, but though they are not needed for that uh, the GP and the extender version that you are using it, like mostly like that you are on the 18.2 lower version of this uh, extender or the GP version, because this procedure, right, the taExtender Windows add updates by adding the column 16 to the 30, which is required for the Smart Connect 21 to synchronize properly. While these columns are not necessary for the GP version earlier than 18.2, Smart Connect 21 procedures references them as a standard because Extender 18.2 and the later version introduced those columns from 16 to 30 as the latest. So for that to synchronize those columns into the Smart Connect 21, we need to go to the GP connections. On your connections, fill your things, log in, like put the SE credentials, and you have to run the reinstall. This will update those stored procedures and included those columns from 16 to 30. So the Smart Connect 21 will be synchronized correctly. Those columns are not being need to be a map because they are not being used. Okay, since you are on the older version of the GP and extender 18.2, but your existing things will be working as it is. Thank you.